Welcome to LIGHTSAMPS Living, baby. It's time for a little lunchtime. So what does a raw vegan cat like me eat for lunch? Well, I already had a half a cantaloupe, so I can't show you that half a cantaloupe. But I got this other half, and ooh, look at that. Can you see that juiciness? Can you see that? I got this sexy organic cantaloupe the other day. Been letting them ripen to the perfect state on my counter. Oh my god. You see how that just fell apart? Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh, you see that water running down? Oh, that's juice right there. That is the most powerful water on this planet. Oh my god, this is seriously the best cantaloupe I've had this season. And I got it on film, baby. This is amazing. This is just pure sugar. So sweet. And your body and your brain runs off sugar. You run off glucose. That's why I do this sugar thing, bruh. We're frugivores. Wow. This is the only thing in nature that we're attracted to, that we don't have to cook, that we don't have to alter, that we can just eat in its natural state. This is epic cantaloupe. I wish y'all could taste this. For real. It's just dissolving in my mouth. Oh my gosh. Why would I want to eat anything else? Why would I want to eat some sandwich with some bread and shit that'll just clog up my system, filled up with this meat that's gonna lower my vibration, that's gonna sit in my colon and my GI tract for days. Why wouldn't I want to eat water-rich fruit that absorbs and digests right away and goes through my body and leaves me with so much energy? I can eat this, get up, run a 5K, run a 10K, boosted, baby. Boosted. Oh yeah, this juice though. This water. It's the best structured water on the planet. All the other water you can drink, bottled water, tap water, spring water, distilled water, all other forms of water are less superior than this. This is structured water. This is water that's going to hydrate you the most. This is going to come into your body on an intercellular level, and it's going to hydrate your body the best. Wow. Yes, you can get this excited about fruit. No, this is not for show. I would be making these noises if I didn't have the camera on. Maybe even more. When you cut the bullshit, this stuff tastes even better, tastes even more amazing. Your body craves it and desires it. Because we are frugivores, people. Wow. Oh my gosh. I wish y'all could be here. I wish y'all could be here, man. So good. I think this cantaloupe right here would make a lot of people believers. I could eat this same quality of cantaloupe for the rest of my life and be happy. Wow. Mmm. Wow. Mmm. So sweet. Fuck a Hershey's bar. Fuck a bag of Skittles. This is that sweetness that satisfies you. Mmm. Last piece. Mmm. So we're gonna savor that. Maybe I can get a little bit more out of here. Damn, that was good. Right. Toss it in the compost. So cantaloupe down. We're also gonna, ooh, look at this papaya. Look at this beauty. One cantaloupe, one papaya. One fairly big cantaloupe, one pretty heavy, little decent sized papaya. That's lunch, baby. That is lunch. Woo. Oh, here we go. We'll just cut this baby open right here. Oh, you can tell papaya is gonna be good right when you cut it and look at it. Ooh, deep color. Woo-hoo! Oh my gosh! Thank you, Most Highs. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the hands that were put into the making of this papaya. The farmers, the growers, the waters, the sunlight. This is pure sun-fired food right here. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Do you eat the seeds? Some people probably never even seen a papaya. Nah, I mean, you can, but they are super bitter. I scoop them out like this. Pop, pop, pop. You know? They're good for a good parasite protocol. You can put, you know, a handful of seeds in a smoothie and blend it all up with the papaya and down it. They're super bitter though, that's why the parasites don't like them. And they're a good parasite killer. If you eat the seeds with the papaya, I give you props, because they're just a whole another animal. Alright, scoop it out just like a cantaloupe or something, you know, you split up, you get it out. And look at this, baby. The raw vegan life is so simple, so easy. I got no dishes. I got no bullshit. Yeah, I gotta rinse off a spoon. I gotta rinse off a knife. It's so simple, so easy. Don't have to cook nothing. Don't have to do this. Just grab the freshest, ripest fruit you have in your house. Boom, take it, cut it open, eat it. Simple. Man. Alright. So we got our papaya D seeded. Let's test it out, baby. Moment of truth. Mmm. Wow. Yep, I knew this was going to be good from the second I opened it. From the second I picked it out, actually, at the store. Get your fruit game up. Start knowing what's good and what's not. Mmm. Damn. Loud motorcycle. Man, this is good. Why would I want to eat anything else? Come on. Mmm. These foods that are grown in the trees like papayas, they carry a high vibration. See, the higher something is grown in a tree, typically the higher vibration and frequency it has. And you take that vibration and frequency into your body when you eat it. What vibrates the lowest? Dead flesh. Meat. Why on earth would you want to eat flesh? Why on earth would you want to eat another being? Why on earth do you want to eat something that's going to lower your vibration? We've all been programmed to do that. I was too. But boy, when I broke the matrix, I was as happy as the sky is blue. For real. Papaya is like my favorite fruit, man. But I'll give it up to that cantaloupe. That was a better cantaloupe than this was papaya. That was like a 9 cantaloupe. I mean, it was pushing a 10, but I don't even know if I've had a 10 cantaloupe yet. But that was the best cantaloupe, I think I said that, I had in my life. This season? Yeah, I said the best cantaloupe this season, but that was the best I've had in my life. That was a 9 or a 10. This papaya, it's about a 7. But 7s are awesome, man. This papaya is dank. I could live on this papaya all day. Ooh, papaya, baby. So that's it. Lunch, simple. Cut open a cantaloupe. Cut open a papaya. We're gonna finish eating this. I'm gonna finish eating this other half. And I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna be satiated. I'm gonna be satisfied. I'm gonna be energized. I'm gonna be baptized with the fruit. Whoa! Looks like I'm almost naked. I got shorts on though. But don't put it past me to do a naked video. It's LIGHTSAMPS living where everything goes, where it's uncut and everything flows, you feel me? It's so simple. I mean, you can cut your fruit up and make it look all fancy, little cubes, and put it in a little bowl. But why? This papaya's got a bowl right here. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for taking time out of your day to spend a little time with LIGHTSAMPS. Give this video a thumbs up. Help this channel grow. By doing that, you're helping this planet grow. I love y'all. I love y'all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for everything. LIGHTSAMPS out. Peace.